Hello to you, my fashion lovers. Welcome back to Fashion and Hairstyles Updates, the channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in fashion styles. Today in this video, I have the perfect collections of new and trendy acrylic nail art designs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case you are seeing my channel for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So ladies, watching my video for today, you see that these nails are looking so good and unique. You can practically rock them to any occasion of your choice, whether it's a high class occasion, medium class occasion, low class, or just for your casuals. These nails are your go-to, so watch to the end and pick your best lights. And as you watch, kindly do support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch and make your choices from there. Thank you so much. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort on my channel is never taken for granted. You guys are so much appreciated. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. Take care of you, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.